welcome to Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning red MY19 Mitsubishi Outlander Exceed. Starting off at the front, you do have that really nice dynamic shield front to the car that Mitsubishi has adapted into all of their models of late. Really nice look with the front grille and the chrome running through it with the chrome Mitsubishi badging as well. Apologies for the bit of dirt that is on the vehicle at the moment. It will be fully detailed before you do come and pick it up. Really nice projector headlights as well in this model, so you're going to get a really nice clear cut-off point with your light, and I do like the little chrome reflectors that Mitsubishi has put into their headlights. Daytime running light running through the bottom there as well. Now following the chrome around, you do get a fog light down the bottom, and then you have all of your front parking sensors colour matched in, and a headlight washer as well. So if it is getting a bit dusty or the light isn't coming out as well, pop that out and give your headlights a little wash. Having a look at our alloy wheel, really nice design on these wheels. Being that it is a virtually brand new car, I'm not going to spend much time on the wheels. Just give you a chance to look at the design there, which is really, really something else. Colour matched side mirrors and chrome door handles as well. So it really does just tie in and make it a really nice sleek design. Indicator is built into that side mirror there. It does just help clean up the whole front quarter panel and elevate your indicator for anyone around you. Now you do have the keyless entry in this model, so pressing that button will lock and unlock the car, and then when the car is locked, your mirrors do fold in as well. Having a look on the inside, you have all of your beautiful leather seats, really nice comfortable leather, and those bolsters are very supportive as well. Outlander scuff plate, please keep in mind it is not blue, it does just still have the plastic on it there. Closing that back up. Now you will notice the back windows are darker than the front ones. That is because the back windows have a privacy glass on them, where the front ones are just normal tempered glass. Please ask us about our tinting options. We would love to help you try and match up that back glass and front glass together, and just give you all of the UV benefits as well to go along with it. Coming around to the back, again, apologies for the bit of dirt hanging around. You do get the lovely rear spoiler with your high mount brake light, rear washer and your rear wiper there as well. Another 4 rear parking sensors, and then all of your Mitsubishi and your Outlander badging as well. Now it does have an automatic tailgate, being the Exceed model, so just pushing the button up here will close the tailgate for you, and then you can actually open and close it with your key as well. Looking inside the car, plenty of room in the back of these Outlanders, and they are a 7-seater as well. So just pulling that up, and then you can pop your headrest up and anyone can sit in the back nice and comfortably. Pull that tab and push back down and the seat goes down. Obviously it would be more ideal to remove the cargo blind first, and you can actually store that under the floor here as well. Spare wheel is actually located just underneath the car, so nice and easy to locate if you do need to get it out. We'll come back to closing that. Working our way around the passenger side, again, fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. That is the safe side of the vehicle, being the curb side. So if you are in oncoming traffic and you do have to top the car up, you're not actually on the side where the traffic is. Working our way down, you can really see how nice this beautiful red paintwork is in this lighting. So please ask us about our glass coat and tint packages to help you protect your new investment. What we'll do now is we'll pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Looking under the bonnet now, you've got a 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. On the safety side of things, you do have a 5-star NCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you know you and all of your passengers are going to be nice and protected in this vehicle. With this engine, you'll produce 110 kilowatts of power and 360 newton meters of torque, so plenty of torque for any towing that you might be doing. With this vehicle, you do get a 60 litre capacity diesel tank. You'll use about 6.2 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average distance of 968 kilometres to a tank, but that does depend on anything you're towing, any weight in the car, and how you do drive it as well. guys inside the Outlander now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got all four of your power window controls. and they are all automatic up and down as well. Just above that you have your central locking, your window lock, and then all of your power mirror controls as well, with a little button that does fold them in, so you know they're going to be nice and safe if you are pulled over on the side of the road. Looking through our steering wheel, we've got a couple of buttons up the top here. One is our traction control on and off, and one helps us to flick through the center screen in our cluster. So things like service reminders, range until empty, average kilometers, all that sort of thing. Just below those you do have another 5 buttons. One is a blank button, one is your electric tailgate release, one is to turn your parking sensors on and off, and then you've got another 2 which are for your safety systems. So one is your lane departure warning on and off, and then one is your front collision mitigation. So please ask us about those settings when you do come in. We would love to explain them to you. On the right hand stalk we have our indicators left and right, our automatic high beams, and our automatic headlights, and then our fog light controls as well. On the left hand stalk we have all of our washer and wiper controls front and rear. Our front wipers are automatic as well, and then we have our headlight washers just on the end there too. On the steering wheel itself, really nice design on the steering wheel with the piano black running through. On the right hand side you do have all of your cruise control settings with your speed limiter and your adaptive cruise distance setting as well. On the left hand side you have all of your entertainment controls, so your volume, seeking and mode, and then all of your Bluetooth answer and reject, and your voice control. Moving into our center screen, you do have a little button on your steering wheel as well that does show you all of your camera displays. Being the Exceed, you do get the 360-degree camera, and you can see the front view camera there as well, and then you can see the side view as well. So if you are parallel parking next to a curb, that'll make it a ton easier for you. While we are on the subject of cameras, you do also get your 360-degree camera with your rear view camera when you pop the car into reverse as well. With this head unit, probably one of Mitsubishi's best in my opinion. You do get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM/FM radio, digital radio, normal Bluetooth connectivity, iPod, USB, all of that. Really nice responsive touchscreen as well, and very user friendly and easy to use. Just underneath that you do have your hazard lights and your eco mode as well, so flicking that on will just run the car a bit more economically as well. Just below that you do have your climate control. It is dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can have different temperatures, just on the nice easy buttons there as well. Just below that you do have your 12-volt socket, your active on-off for your electric tailgate, a little slot to pop your key in if you did have to turn the car on and your key battery was flat, a USB input, a few more blank buttons, and then your blind spot monitoring on and off as well. A couple of cup holders that do fold away very nicely as well, and then you have your automatic shifter, so just bring it down into drive and off you go. Now you can bring it down again and use your paddle shifters as well to shift through your gears manually. Just below that we do have our electric handbrake, so up for on, down for off, same as a normal one, but you will need your foot on the brake to use that. Auto brake hold as well, so that one only works when your seatbelt is on, and then you can take your foot off the brake when you are stopped at traffic lights and the car won't go anywhere. 4-wheel drive selector as well, so you can choose between 4-wheel drive auto, 4-wheel drive lock and 4-wheel drive eco as well. And then being the Exceed you do have your heated front seats as well. Plenty of storage in your center console there as well. And then if we do just pan up to the very top, we do have a sunroof as well. So just pushing that button all the way will open up that sunroof for you. Probably ideal on a day like today where it is nice and sunny, not too hot, not too cold as well. And if you do just push that button in, you can just tilt it up as well. Yes, and then that way to bring it back down. Let's get my camera person to pan around a little bit, show you what the interior looks like, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Right guys, that wraps up our walk around video on this MY19 Mitsubishi Outlander in that beautiful red. Hope it's given you some insight as to why this is the perfect car for you and really helped you solidify this decision as well. Just a couple of things before I go. This car does qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan. With this plan, it will give you like-for-like new car warranty for another 5 years after your factory warranty. Definitely something to consider, and it gives you loads of extra bonuses as well. Please ask us about that one, and please also ask us about our glass coat and tinting options as well. Being a red car, you definitely want to protect that beautiful, beautiful red paintwork. So please ask us about the glass coat, and please ask us about the tint as well, just to help you protect yourself against UV rays as well. One last thing, please ask to chat to our finance team as well. Mario and Julie would love to give you a hand in tailoring a package to suit your needs as well. And just, again, I know I said one last thing, but one more last thing. Please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide as well. So please go check those out. You can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership, the right kind of people, and buying an excellent quality vehicle as well. The number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby, and thanks for watching.